Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi dash cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Wi-Fi dash cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ROVE 2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE Dash Cam offers impressive dual recording capabilities, capturing stunning 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. This ensures you have clear evidence of both the road ahead and behind you. With its advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the camera provides exceptional image quality even in low light, making nighttime driving safer. The ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows you to quickly download your recordings to your phone, so sharing your videos on social media is effortless. Additionally, built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, providing crucial context for your recordings. What we like: high-resolution dual recording, excellent low-light performance, fast video downloads, built-in GPS tracking. Number 2. TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam. The TERUNSOUl 4K dash cam offers ultra-clear dual 4K recording for both front and rear views, helping you capture every detail on the road with a wide 170 degrees lens. This means you'll have complete coverage of your surroundings, making it easier to provide evidence if needed. The built-in loop recording and G-sensor automatically save important footage during collisions, so you don't have to worry about losing crucial videos. Nighttime driving is safer too, thanks to enhanced night vision that brightens dark scenes for clear images. Plus, the fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you quickly access and share your recordings on your phone, making managing your videos simple and convenient. What we like: dual 4K recording, loop recording with G-sensor, enhanced night vision, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam captures every moment of your drive with stunning 4K UHD front recording and 1080p rear recording, ensuring you have clear footage day and night. You can control the camera hands-free with voice commands, allowing you to focus on the road while still managing your recordings. Additionally, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you easily view and share your videos through the REDTIGER app, making it convenient to access your footage anytime. With loop recording and collision detection, you can trust that important footage will be saved automatically, providing peace of mind while you drive. What we like: high-resolution recording, hands-free voice control, easy video sharing, automatic loop recording. Number 4. PRUVEEO D90-4CH Dash Cam. PRUVEEO Dash Cam is a 4-channel front, rear, and inside camera that records in FHD 1080p. Its 150-degree super wide-angle lens and 3-inch LCD screen provide sharper movies and images even when traveling at high speeds. The quad camera system simultaneously records the front and sides of the vehicle, and the 2 cabin cameras can freely change the recording angles and rotate left and right, allowing you to record in opposite directions as well. The built-in GPS allows you to pinpoint the vehicle's location, speed, time, and routes on a map in real time, which is important for roadside help and insurance claims. The cabin cameras have f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, which produce clear recordings and superior image performance at night. The D90-4CH also has loop recording, emergency accident locks, and easy installation with no battery, making it convenient and reliable for your daily use. What we like: 4-channel recording, built-in GPS, quality night vision. Number 5. 70mm Dash Cam M300. The 70mm Dash Cam is equipped with a 3-megapixel camera that records in 1296p QHD high resolution, providing almost 1.5 times clearer image than standard 1080p dash cams. With a 140 degrees wide-angle FOV, this dash cam captures license plates, road signs, and other important details on the road with fewer blind spots. The 3D noise reduction algorithm and WDR technology balance exposure level and provide clear and smooth image quality even in low light conditions. With the built-in G-sensor, the dash cam solidly provides a 24-hour parking monitor by automatically recording and notifying you of any potential incidents. The time-lapse recording compresses hours-long surveillance video into minutes, making it easy to catch crucial events quickly. The dash cam supports high-endurance Class 10 and above microSD memory cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. What we like: 1296p QHD resolution, 140 degrees wide-angle FOV, parking monitoring with G-sensor, time-lapse recording, loop recording with evidence protection.